everyone, welcome back to my reading. Today I would be doing a January 2022 reading for the fire signs, that is Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Hope all of you are well, in good vibes and spirits, and I send you a lot of positive vibes. Hope this new year is going to be very good and a very bright future for you. And even if there's a shift and we all are going through a very difficult phase, but I am hopeful that things are going to change and it will change for the better, right? So let me start with the reading for the fire signs, that is Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. First I'll do the reading for Aries for January 2022, the predictions and the blessings for Aries. So let me shuffle the cards. So Aries for January 2022. What blessings are awaiting for Aries? What are the future predictions and what can the Aries people expect from this January period of 2022? So again, I would like to remind you that this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So do take the part of the reading that actually resonates with you and leave the rest. The cross watchers you can take from the reading, whichever part is applicable. And also energies can be vice versa. So be mindful of that as well. So Aries for January 2022. What are the blessings and predictions for Aries? Right? What are the predictions for Aries for January 2022? Please guide. What are the predictions? Now, let me cut it and let me show you the cards. Okay, so you all know that I do a 6-card reading. So I've taken out the 6 cards, and at the back of the deck I have the moon. As you can see, it has come out in the reverse. So back of the deck is this, the moon in the reverse, right? So if we consider the back of the deck as well, along with all these cards, let me show you that together. Right now, this indicates that there was some kind of hidden thing that you actually wanted to discover, and now that hidden thing is coming out. So you're getting a lot of clarity now in January. So that's something that you've always wanted for a long time, to get clarity of certain situations that you'll get now. But you're carrying a lot of burdens, a lot of workload. You've been working quite a lot and fighting all the odds. But yes, January will bring you a lot of good time, celebrations, meeting up with old friends, and also some money. This I can see, some money, or maybe some kind of financial loan you will get. Some money, I guess for Aries people, money is stuck for a long time. So it will get released in January. And everything is going to be very fast, very swift. And things are looking good, but there's depression. Why are you depressed? Aries, what's the trouble? Because I can understand that you have been carrying a lot of burden. You've been fighting all odds. But you're going to celebrate with people. You're going to get clarity with respect to your money. You're going to get some loan or maybe unexpected money as well, and things are going to move fast. So don't get depressed. Nothing to be depressed about. It's just a weight. Your situation is going to improve within some time. So don't actually worry, and you're going to get clarity. The back of the deck, which is very important, so clarity is there. So I see wonderful time for Aries, a good time, something that Aries people have wanted for quite some time. They have been doing a lot of work, but it's not, it's not what they expected to get out of that work. That means their money is actually stuck, which has been bothering them for quite some time, which is showing up in the cards. So now it's the time that things are improving. From this card I can predict that yes, money is improving. So that's wonderful, Aries. Okay, so now I'll go to the next one, Leo. Just a minute. Let me do the reading for Leo people. So all of you whose Sun, Moon and Venus rising are Leo, as well as the cross watchers, so you can take from this reading. So please guide me for the blessings and predictions for the Sun, Moon, Venus rising of Leo. What is awaiting for them, and what kind of blessings are coming in their life? So now it's the time for Leo. Let me now do the shuffling and let me check what is there for Leo. So blessings and predictions for Leo for January 2022. So I hope all the Leo people are good, in good vibes and spirits. Let me check what is in store for you. Now, let me see what is in store for Leo. Right. Very nice, Leo. All positive cards. Things are looking very bright for you, although it's a little bit hidden. So over here, back of the deck, it is Moon. Now let me show all the cards together. I hope you're able to see all the cards together. Yes, back of the deck, it's Moon. So things are stuck up for you. You're not being able to present yourself in the best possible way in a particular situation. So and you find that you lack clarity in situations, so that's bothering you a bit. Now the first one, Hierophant. So marriage is there. I strongly sense that some marriage proposal or something like that, is coming your way. You've been holding your money for quite some time, as this is a very difficult time for all of us. We all are mostly keeping our savings and stocking up money. So you've been working on that as well. A lot of positive communications are coming your way with respect to your career, which I feel. And things are looking very good. Promotion is there for you. If you're in a job, you were waiting for some kind of promotion, yes, you'll get the promotion. And over here, I also see the Queen of Swords. So some woman in your life is very much influencing you, somebody who is very wise, a little bit authoritative, but it's going to be a wonderful experience for you working with this woman. Or maybe on a romantic front also, I think there's a hint that this woman is going to propose you, or you're going to propose her, and the marriage is there. So if you have been waiting for marriage for quite some time, yes, it's coming now your way. And there's judgment. Any court case which was pending, the judgment will be served in your favor. So overall, overall Leo, everything is very good for you. And you don't have to worry about your money. Finances are looking very bright because I sense a strong sense of promotion, in your work front. So work as well as love life, married life is looking very nice. But you are lacking some clarity. So this thing also will be resolved, I think, in January. So January is looking good for you, all Leo people, right? Now next would be Sagittarius. So give me the guidance and blessings for Sagittarius people, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of January 2022. What is it that Sagittarians need to know about January 2022 and what blessings are coming their way? So Sagittarian people, Sun, Moon and Venus rising, you can take from this reading the part that resonates with you and you can leave the rest. So for Sagittarian people, what blessings are coming in the month of January? What are the predictions for the month of January 2022? So let me cut the deck and let me show you the cards. For the people belonging to the Sun sign, Moon and Venus rising Sagittarius, your reading for the month of January, right? And the back of the deck, it's the Emperor card. So let me keep all the cards together and so that I'll be able to explain better. Now you are actually thinking about a lot of things at the same time. This card actually predicts that. Maybe for investments, maybe for any business ventures, you're thinking about a lot of options. You're trying to, make your business work. You're trying for funds maybe from a lot of places. So this is like, it's been stressing you a bit, but you are going on thinking about which path I can opt for or whether I can do multiple kinds of things at the same time. So this is stressing you a bit as well. I see Ace of Cups, definitely love is coming your way, and the Wheel of Fortune. So whichever business proposal or business decision that you're going to opt for, it's going to be very positive and it's going to fetch you a lot of money. Yes, money card is next as well. So I can correlate these two and I can say that yes, money is coming your way definitely. Some unexpected money also you'll get, which it will come all of a sudden, which you never expected, as well as some form of loan also. Things are moving fast for you and the Emperor energy is there for you. Let me keep the cards a bit nearby so that you can see the Emperor here. Yes, that was at the back of the deck. So you are in a very authoritative and dominant position. Like I strongly feel that you might be wanting to start your own business, and that's why maybe you're gathering funds or you want to run something on your own. So you are now into that kind of energy and it's going to be very positive for you. It's going to be like in your favor. So congratulations all your Sagittarians. Everything is looking very bright for you, right, for the month of January 22. So now I have actually predicted for all the 3 fire signs. So I hope my reading is useful for you and all happiness be bestowed on all of you and you have a wonderful year ahead. So do like, share and subscribe my channel if you like what I do, and spread to as many people as you like who have interest in tarot readings, as well as those who belong to the fire sign, as because today the reading is for the fire signs. So I hope you have a lovely time ahead and I'll catch you up in some time.